Yes, I know. I promised you a steam train, but he's running late. So instead, I thought I would take you to my winter. Join me in the snow. Welcome to my 2026. And baby, it's cold out there. So let's go inside and make it warm. Hello there and welcome. My name is Anita. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. I love cooking, I love travelling, and I'd like you to join us on our adventures. Now that's better, isn't it? Welcome to my kitchen in 2026. Now, most of the snow's gone, but Frosty Friday has arrived and oh my goodness, it is really cold out there, and that footpath is like a skating rink, so we're actually not venturing out for now. We do have to later, but right now I'm just going to warm up the house, and I've been busy in the kitchen. So do you want to see what I've been up to? Here is my 5 litres, yes, 5 litres of pea soup. Now, it is a Dutch recipe, and I have got a video of it online from memory, so I'll look it up and put the link there for you. But right now what I'm also going to make is some lentil soup, red lentils, and it's going to be a really orange affair, this one. The other one is a green affair, this one's orange. So I've got carrots, the lentils, onion, garlic, spices, and a vegetable stock. So those are my ingredients, and you know the best part about it is I don't have to stand there and stir or anything. I do have to peel and cut and slice and dice. That'll warm me up. And then when I've done that, I put it on the stove and just let it warm up the house. And it is going to smell lovely, and it's going to taste beautiful. And I'll be filling my freezer with a couple of containers so that every now and then, over the next couple of weeks, I'll just pull one out and we'll have it as a maybe a pre-dinner or just an easy dinner with some garlic bread or whatever. But I'm going to have to heat up this house. So here I go. Cut, peel, slice, dice. The next thing I'm going to do is bring all these spices to life. Nutmeg and carrots go together like a good marriage. Garam masala, bringing the Eastern touch to the lentils. Smoked paprika, bringing a bit of warmth into the soup. Cloves, adding spice to the onions. And curry, just because I like it. Now, to really make those spices zing and do their darndest to taste yummy, I've got them all in here. Now you can add as much of or less of any as you like. And I've just got them all here. And the oil is going to heat them up, and it's going to actually rejuvenate them. And once that odour is starting to permeate the kitchen, I'll be adding the onion and the garlic. Now all these spices, of course, they're dried spices, and if you just put them in over top of it at the end, they just don't get a chance to rejuvenate because they need to be able to absorb the moisture again, and in that moisture are the flavours. So going quite nicely here now. Here they are. Now I've got it on 6 and I can put it up a wee bit higher, but slowly but surely it's all, and that smell. My husband just came in and said, "What are you making?" So he just loved the smell. Oh yep, there he goes, bubbling away. Right, now let's put that out the way, and I will get the onion and the garlic. Now I prefer also to put that into the oil before the oil gets really hot, and that way it doesn't burn. Let's grab those last couple of bits of onion off the board. And here we go. I bet you're wanting a bowl of this when I'm done. Look at that. Now, depending on your preference for spices, you want to add more of this and less of that, and that's fine. There's no set rule. Who am I to say to you that you can only use half a teaspoon of cloves and you can use 3 teaspoons of curry? I mean, you know, so add whatever you think is right. Now I'm going to add the carrot. All the vegetable soups and things that I make, I always, really always, caramelise the vegetables first. Just because that's what I do. Okay, so the carrot's going in now. Hang on. Oh, believe me, you want to be in my kitchen right now. This is just lovely. And look at the glaze on those carrots. And no, it's not just the oil, it's the sugar that's coming out of them. Okay, so now I'm going to get the stock. Now I've got some vegetable stock cubes here, and I'm going to actually use some of those. And then I'll be adding the lentils. Now I've just had a taste, and I mean the full flavour isn't out yet, but I've just had a taste and I'm missing something, so I've come outside, but a bit of a disappointment. My bay leaf plant is so tiny, the leaves are so small, see they're just little, that I've reverted to a packet. So I thought before I open the packet, I'll just check, but no, I can't do that to that small plant. It's got to have a bit more growth. So I'm just going to add a bay leaf to the soup now. So here she goes. Now, I don't need more. I think one would be enough. I just felt that that was a little bit of what was lacking. So just taste as you go. Now I'm going to leave it on a low heat and just let it do its thing. Right, just popping the lid on to get them fresh. And in the pantry they go. Oh, not a bad haul for my winter winter efforts. Now remember that lovely soup I was making? Tonight's the night. So it's had time to really sit and let all the flavours come out and join the party. Anyway, so this is what I'm doing. I just picked up a Turkish bread, and this is half of it, and I've got some grated cheese on it, and this is going in the oven. I'm heating up the soup. Look at it, luscious yum. And when my brother-in-law arrives, it's just going to be the 3 of us enjoying this beautiful pot of soup. Now, I put some aside because I knew there was way too much, and I will be giving him that to put in his freezer for in a day that I don't cook for him. So that's also handy. So let me finish getting dinner ready. Right, dinner served. And I'm looking forward to the soup and my toast. So here I go. Right, here I go. I can definitely taste the spices. What do you guys think? Is it just okay, or is it? Well, oh, when he says okay, I think, oh, he doesn't quite like it. Oh, well, I'm happy if you're happy. So I'm going to enjoy my meal now, and I'll see you next time.